Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can place down tiles in House Flipper. Now currently right now I'm in my new house and it does need some renovations. And if you want to place down the tiles, hold down right click on your mouse and go over to tiling and paneling right here. Now the next thing that you have to do is go over to your tablet and make sure to choose here at the store. Let me just escape here. Go to the store and then go over to floor and ceiling right here. Now because this house does need some wooden tiles, so I'm going to find some tiles here that has some wood aesthetic. And once you've chosen any panels that you like, for example right here, stone panels, Japanese elm, I'll just press left click and then press buy now. Now once you press left click on the ground, you can drag it to however wide you want. And then when you press left again, it will completely change the tiles of those that you covered. For example right here, I'm going to extend it all the way here, right around to the end. And now the tiles have been completely changed. And in case you do want to change the tiles once again, and then just choose any tiles from the store over on the floor and ceilings panels or floor and ceiling tiles. And that's pretty much about it on how to put down tiles in House Flipper.